Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, Summative Assessment 1 2025 Telangana Board Class 10th Subject Maths Question Paper discuss. This PDF download to Telegram, link on description. Let's start the paper. Mathematics Part A and Part B. Max marks 80. Time duration 3 hours. Instruction: read the question paper and understand every question thoroughly without writing anything. 15 minutes is allotted for this. Answer all the question for section 1 and section 2. In section 3rd, answer any 4 question from this 6 question. Section 1, answer all the following question. Each question carries 2 marks. First question: use Euclid division algorithm to find the LCF, highest common factor, of 936 and 1224. Question number 2: write all the subset P equal to X, Y, Z. Question number 3rd: check whether 4 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial P of X equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Fourth question: one of the supplementary angle exceeds the other by 24 degree. Find the angles. Question number 5: if cos A plus B equal to 1 upon 2 and sin A minus B equal to 1 upon 2, 0 degree less than A plus B is less than 90 degree, A is greater than B, then find A and B. Question number 6: a girl observed the top of her school building at an angle of elevation of 60 degree when the point of observation is 12 meter away from the foot of the building. Draw the suitable diagram for the given data. Answer all the following question. Each question carries 4 marks. A x such that x is a composite number less than 20. B equal to x such that x is an odd number less than 20. Then find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Question number 8. Find the formula to find the mod of the group data and explain the terms in it. Question number 9. So that cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta, this is equal to cot theta into cos theta. Question number 10. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 5p or 5p plus 1 or 5p plus 4. Question number 11. Triangle ABC, congruence triangle PQR. Area of the triangle ABC is 169 square centimeter and the area of the triangle PQR is 81 square centimeter. If the altitude of the triangle ABC is 6.5 centimeter, then find the corresponding altitude of the triangle PQR. Question number 12. Solve the pair of linear equation 3x minus 5y equal to 9, 2x plus 3y equal to 25. Section 3rd. Answer any 4 of the following question. Each question carries 6 marks. Question number 13. Draw the graph of the polynomial P of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 and find the zeros from the graph. 14th question. Show that 2 square root 3 plus square root 7 is an irrational number. Question number 15. Find the median of the following data. Class interval 0 to 10, frequency 8, 10 to 20, 10, 20 to 30 18, 30 to 40 25, 40 to 50 19, 50 to 60 13, 60 to 70 7. Question number 16. Construct triangle ABC in which AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 5 centimeter. Construct a triangle similar to its whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Question number 17. A 1.6 meter tall man is looking at the top of a tower which is 31.6 meter in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the tower increased from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walked toward the tower, find the distance he walked toward the tower. Question number 18. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to pair of linear equation. 2 by 2x plus y plus 3 by 2x minus y equal to 7 by 5 and 4 by 2x plus y plus 1 by 2x minus y equal to 7 by 15. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.